Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by quantifying the 100 GB target and include overhead for system files and one backup copy. Once done, pick a storage medium. External SSD for speed, HDD for cost, NAS for multi-device access, or cloud for off-site redundancy. Make sure to prepare cables, power, credentials, and a checksum utility to verify transfers. Then, format or allocate the volume using the appropriate file system so you can write data immediately. Do not delay. Begin the first transfer now. You now execute the main transfer in controlled batches to avoid timeouts and corruption. Use tools like rsync on Unix, Robocopy on Windows, or Cloud Multipart Upload to resume interrupted jobs. These maintain integrity and speed. While transferring, organize with clear folder names, metadata tags, and a simple index file listing contents and checksums. Once a batch finishes, verify checksums and free up the local cache before starting the next batch so throughput stays consistent and recoverability is straightforward. You finish by verifying every checksum and confirming the storage reports 100 GB accessible. This proves a successful copy. Then, create one backup strategy. A local mirror for quick restore or cloud replication for disaster recovery, and schedule regular snapshots. If something goes wrong, check physical connections, power, and permissions first, then inspect disk smart status and transfer logs to isolate errors. Finally, rerun failed batches with resume-capable tools. Make sure data integrity checks pass before marking the job complete.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.